direct person body. Kai. So
But I did not get me now. Is special? Don't worry.
okay, mama.
Yane, Didi. Why many ta Didi o? That they not give any Didi on me. Otwore. Otwore. When I go more rame. Domo. No get love. Domo. When I go more.
Wama. We don't give love. No, that they make me laugh.
Now we can't come here around Diana. You may have to very dory weba. You know, little beer with you. Ole. Won't die, Aniki. And this is playing game. I do know December. Omana donated 1.5 in a Didi for another platform. I was like, let me not do it. I'll be almost 2 million. And you have very do you know this guy now? A people million. Voted a platform and I was like, based on the C party. That was my first donation publicly new. Normally they do for one like small.
They preaching English, made them for understand. We not they speak beneath for
okay, sorry, my sweetheart. You know, say this my Zegbe special. If I do giveaway before na private, now platform now our case we just start public donation for Didi. When she come, she thought say see what be a problem. Everybody felt pity for her. Then I go say okay, I can call my brother, my PA. I say go and check on her. Go and check on her. My PA.
I not run. We are not run. Okay, I want run for. I not run.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So, PA when I check it, we want to check it where no.
Pidgin English.
Okay, my PA can go check her for us. Everything can be true. So we follow and go doctor. We can't check everything when he say he need for the doctor. Say now the operation graphene enemy now they want to do for his leg for the sore. When we carry Didi, she dey wet, nothing there body, no blood. They give her parts of blood. The blood they can't get to clean and the thing can't red. They can't cut for part of her body to treat that sore. All her injury can't finish. She can't go another platform after some weeks again. Call the cry say she need money for operation. I wonder why you know you're doing honest. Say maybe you need money for food just so they eat. Even my one of my girl for here, they even cook go give Didi. Her body go come out because she was eating good. Everything dey okay for her. Normally, why you not just come and say you need money for it or you want to start business? Make people donate for that kind of thing for you. People go already do one for you. Why you can't read it? They use your injury. Then they chop people money again. Why you dey lie say you get operation what you want to do? Pound of blood 50,000. A pound of blood is 20K. Food now food you need. Not be blood. Not the lie. What about the 1.8 million why they give you 3 December? Why you?
1 point.
1 point. Do you know how?
They don't give me any 1.8 million.
You know say I report this guy for area command.
Nah, man,
I can prove it now. Didi wait. You know say I report this guy for area command.
Jesus.
Yes. I'm letting you know now. Before we came that day, shut up, Gumegwan. So Didi come up for us, which he dad apologize. I get evidence where this guy beg me, apologize, say no go try again. Which I not post the evidence. I just leave her not to tarnish. Yeah, not to tarnish her image. I tell her say if you want beg for platform, oh Wahala, oh, because of my condition, perfect. People go no say now hungry, you they hungry, you not even get money. Based on your condition, you need good food. But no they talk say, when saga say work here. Now let you be sick like for Bini. You they say person why they say they use your money, but what Didi? Go to the you mind where they let you know how people follow you. Didi, let me talk. Don't talk when I'm talking.
Didi, wait. Calm down first.
If you want to go to Nogia, it's an honest platform. Be honest. Etawa and West get 50,000. With the power of blood, become 50,000 for Bini. Because I don't get they do good for everybody. You want to be stupid? Do you think he's stupid by doing good for everybody? We all pray for him. If you want to be honest, a palawo, get condition me. Wala we need to give a you need a provision or you ask business. Where business? You don't pass the edge where you go die. You are not dying. You need good food. You need to walk. Suffer. You need to fucking walk. You need to fucking work for yourself.
Epa,
You are a
na
single
see
mom.
talk
Me too, I'm
na.
a single mom. You need to work. Beg money for platforms that
Because
to
you
people
know,
for business.
I know you didn't insult too much.
Which
Big
is
one.
talk? Which
I
is
be
talk?
small picking, may I see
You know how
talk.
many people you say? Am I
Epa,
your
may I
friend?
talk, I beg, may I talk, may I talk. May I see talk my own. When she meets me for online, that's her, eh? It don't see why they try to gather this money for operation. But if I tell you, I'll go this platform, you'll give this money for me. I'll go this platform, raise for me, for the rest for me. Before you know, I'll still use for his side, use for his side, use for his side. Well, after she did the operation for me, that, matter can't come. They come tell me say they don't rest for the matter. Say because I say I go talk for Gboko platform. Say I need blood. Say this one. The reason why I talk for Gboko platform say I need blood. Hey, pa, let me talk. I beg. She don't talk. I want to talk my own because me and they hate me. Person they insult me. Yeah, she hates me and I appreciate her. No be say she will spoil my name. I go and I said the truth. Because of this same thing, make me go straight to the point. Imagine say person wey don paper, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
All my life, I go blood I dey take. Go look my page. Na blood I dey take. Na so you tell me say I dey drink blood. Say I dey build house. And the person tell me, Aunty Zegbe say me dey drink the blood. Here, they say I dey drink the blood. I post myself say I get join this so say my eye dey yellow. One blog I come go change and say one blog I come go change and say I get stuff for leg. The child that I take meet and say why did you ask me if I see half saw or not? Why you not ask if na if saw or na that thing dey do? Why you go post and post my picture? You talk say na saw the girl get stuff for leg. So people were not commenting that she has done the operation, she has done the operation. I can't go meet the blogger say, yes, I don't do my operation. I'm not looking for money for surgery anymore. And I join this, they do me now. I don't understand. I join this, they do me now. I don't be that blood again. Not be sore again.
If I not get sorry, say I come online.
I be sick of say. Every time I take blood.
Okay. No,
every time. Everywhere where I go. You see, they give me 1.8 million now. They do the operation for me, finish. They leave me for hospital. I got beg again. I got beg again. They discharge myself. No, she said they gave me 1.8 December. Which 1.8? Everywhere where they go, and so they follow me up and down.
Okay,
They don't say I be thief. I be this one, I be this one.
Baby, calm down.
I be sick. The woman help me. I swear to God, I try. I beg her. I appreciate her. Yes.
Didi, calm down.
A pound of blood, blood from Percy body is 50,000 there.
Calm down, Didi, calm down.
Okay.
How many platform you don't go? If you remember.
Epa.
Mommy, you don't give her money, oh. Mommy, you never go now.
No, let me tell you. My man is the one that tell you that you're a good money. People
come and tell me.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Jesus. Anywhere I go, they must go spoil my name for them. Any platform I go, they must go spoil my name for them. And like no, they pay me again. I have 20, senior 20. All my mouth they yellow. All my body they. I need blood. For person body, not be the only they back keep. He said blood is 50,000. Not they spoil my name again, mommy. Zegbela. All your people they spoil my name. They go any platform I go. You they call me thief. I tell the builders. Imagine
Didi. Okay, sir.
Didi, how many platform you don't go? And how much you don't donate for you for each
if I go this platform, I go Mommy Yere platform that time. It's last year, January 10. The source today. As Mommy Yere give me 600,000 naira. As Mommy Yere 600,000 Mommy Yere give me
Okay.
Mommy Yere gave me 600,000 naira. I know they let my pa did there. My pa give her gift. My daddy gave him gift. Gave her gift.
Continue. After Yore, who again?
Epa Frank, give me money.
How much she still give you?
Epa Frank, give me money. Now 2 operations I want to do.
How much she give you?
I don't know. The 2 operations so I want to do. One for the scraping and one for the cutting. Because the feel say this, me and Epa Frank don't say to I don't play everything give her.
Wait, how much that one?
So I can't explain. Say I can't say if I if one of this, may I explain where family for understand.
How much they give you? Be honest. How much?
Sister, let me talk. Me that everybody understand. Who said this boy in the internet now? People go help me.
Did you wait? Is your 600,000?
Yes.
Frank, how much Frank help you?
But Frank give me 1 million naira.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, which platform you can't go again?
I can't go Boko live stream.
How much Boko City help you?
Boko give me 3 something because they go score first for them. Then people let's go cut first for them.
Okay,
They not give me the money again. Person promise me 200,000. If our people let's go anywhere I go, mommy take people go they cost first for them.
Then you wait now.
December.
Didi, wait.
1 million and I take.
Didi, I am not emotionally.
Not be December. They give me that money. Okay.
Very fake girl.
I'm not be person.
I don't be fake, mama. We go on the platform. We go ask.
I'm not be person.
They worry me.
Emotional blackmail.
Yes, they do something. As
You
they
want
cry
to
like
cry
this,
again,
now,
emotional
they
blackmail.
suit me again. As they cry like this, you understand me? As they cry like this, if I ask you question, you answer me. Now let those ones so now I go tell you understand you. All these your tears, no, they move me. At all, I'm not be person.
No. I didn't hear someone be say any platform where I go, they follow me up and down. Okay, sir.
Remember, we dey on social media. This is not WhatsApp. The money where people take help you for each platform, then they record down because
yes,
if you have to say the money pass like that, you are not going to get it done for me.
Yes, ask them.
If all the money where they cost, so they can't go confirm my last night.
Yes.
Say 1 naira. He passed.
2 million, Frank Iriene, 2 million.
Jesus! I better be a per franc on here. 2 million.
Frank wait. People will watch the live. Confirm and wait. Didi, calm down. Didi, wait. Didi, when you can't come up from Iyoro, you can't go Frank. You come from Frank. You can't go Boko. After Boko.
January time.
Okay.
That one don't say.
January last year.
Yeah, no, me say as in
operation now,
early year.
Let's say Godfather.
Pardon. I want to come up since before this moment I come up, but I look am. I say make she enjoy. You dey get me so? This girl so therefore don't look up of station. Now me beg for this girl. Ask her wetin Big Sammy do you when you take go the saga Big Sammy? Person me help you with money. Even the other guy, man, they come any of their name. You know say you don't. I haven't message you. I say me drop Big Sammy video. But how they look at me, you suffer, enjoy yourself. But they see when you walk on the attack people, you want make them feel say na lie, they lie.
That's what she's doing.
Even go reach Big Sammy. You dey get me so? I know a lot of people me don't report you give me, but I all chill. I always see your condition. I make me not dey talk good. That be but this one people for Europe, now Nigeria people they talk about Nigeria people now that people for me the Europe now they talk about so. But you believe me, enjoy yourself. But as you call the talk, you call the pardon me. I make people say request come up.
She just say a crack can hold somebody.
Maybe they get me. So not be all those tears of the thing.
You want to see a drug, Didi? Can you tell them you are taking something? Can you be honest? Can you tell them you are smoking? Why did I not?
If I hear me so, you see two friends me they create content. And me and the other guy no they talk. So I don't call that one name. Now this girl so now cosplay between Big Sammy and that other boy.
Now that second girl that they talk about to not be me oh. Now that second girl we get soft for 2 hands. Now they talk about not be me.
It's you.
Oh yeah, Didi, wait, may I show you. Wait, see. Didi, I know they deleted anything from my phone. If it say not be you, wait, may I show you the video. Wait, may I find out come out.
Hey, Salobua. I love that.
I no gay.
Yeah, I dey hear you.
Yeah, don't sir. I go to the house. Now good evening. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you see, you may not want to go to home, my mom, you go.
Epa, no vex, sorry. I no charge my phone, so I no dey expect anything like this before. So it can't remain like 5%. I can't off my
mommy
data.
party, they go. Brian, no get no way, mommy party, not even 1 million ne. No, eh.
The people they that for you is Igbe. If I want more,
Epa.
man.
God bless you, no give.
If people they that time, people all the people who don't give her money, they that time for you. So that maybe for the call and ask for her way. I'm there.
I see the sick King Mishi. Epa, maybe won't call you that time, but I don't know say we go do donation and all of that.
Which King
Yeah.
Mishi?
They say for that King Mishi where they Lagos.
How get
that's
big
what they
ass?
talk. Yes, sir. Where Tinubu son the support.
He waiting do. Is he give her
King
money?
Mishi, yes, I listen for comment section. But now that mommy Yore me, I just they aware of. Yeah, that mommy Yore. But the thing we say, since it don't be like this, you try contact the doctor so that we go dey pay direct because now name people to do donation. Yeah, I know say this girl.
Get evidence of
I know say this girl now. Sister Ezegbe, hold on now.
Make them go ask
Sister
of this girl for
Ezegbe,
you. Igunya na
Sister Ezegbe, hold on. Sister Ezegbe, Muja now. Sister Ezegbe, hold on now, please. Epa, it don't be like this. We know say sickle cell they expensive, but we need to talk to the doctors directly. Not give her any money for now.
Oh,
I know say they very expensive.
Don't give her any money for that be the problem now. The problem now is that this girl is not being truthful to me right now. That's the problem.
Of course.
No,
Of course. And I know right from the offset. Sister, I know you hold on. Sister,
When you need the doctor number, I will give you the doctor for specialist ability. I'll give you the doctor number. May you confirm.
You get her.
100%. Oh, I get her. To be honest.
Send them the number.
Okay.
Send the number for me. Please, Lamugani. Didi.
Okay, sir.
You may say more than 30 people where they tell me now. You may say that they lie for your only your head. 30 more than 30 people.
If me no they carry they talk with evidence. I don't should I give the people. If they come up, I say me bring they come up. And they ask they say you know this one. See you say I they last not be you. Now don't want me get injury for leg. I don't should I give them. They'll join us now. Then they'll come up. You'll see them. You'll tell them for their face say you don't know them.
I just want you to tell me the truth. I will still help you. But I'm going on a different platform. And you tell me you know they tell me. Because if you tell me the amount, people will watch the platform that they go talk say no, not be that what they donate. You say you already give 600,000. People they tell me say it pass. You say Frank give you 1 million. People they tell me say it pass.
Epa, when Epa Frank give me that money, like for two operations on one
Last year.
Yes, last year.
Forget about the operations. We are interested on all these people. So now last year they give you all this money.
Yes, last year.
Okay. Do operation. I mean do operation 100%. Now me do operation.
Epa, this girl don't collect money. Epa, you know say
this girl don't collect money. Now you say do operation. When she come and
Sister Ezegbe,
she tell me say she get 1.2 already. She say get 1 million. 800.
Epa, this girl they see for here. So if this guy the saga person today,
No.
this girl they see for here. If he the saga person today,
that's what I'm here.
Epa, you know say me not the quick involved for all this kind of thing because me I not get strength. You get, but this girl, it don't say why they say her for social media, but I know they quick talk. Like wetin Godfather talk, na thing she dey do. Don't say why they see her for social media.
Na business she dey do.
Hold on now.
You say not be you Bisami donate for. If I beg Bisami say request. This one me say no just now.
I said big Sammy not donate for me. I said see wetin happen. May I explain.
But you say not be you now. Now what you talk yourself now? You say that me get stuff for hard. Now what you talk for you?
Hey, Baba.
Not what you talk for you.
I said make I talk wetin happen.
Get stuff for hard.
Make I talk wetin happen. Make her talk wetin
Not what you
happen.
talk
Now
about,
talk.
caller.
When they talk for comment section, did I say this time not give me money?
This is not be you. Now what you tell me, oh, you make me feel like liar.
Mute again now. Mute when
I know they like when they make me feel like liar. That make me go call
Auntie
her.
Zegbe, hold on now. Auntie Zegbe, hold
When
on.
we hear from Big Sammy.
Thank you, sweetheart.
May we hear from
Pardon,
Big Sammy. Where's he, my brother? New York.
pardon, sir. Call, sir.
Where's he? Hey,
Hey, Sammy, welcome.
I don't really know what it is up, but what me again? I know Rima.
I bet speak
You are
English, my
using
brother.
English.
Speak English
Okay,
because what is the platform?
this girl, me not come be like say I dey stop people from helping her or something. But this girl, Ogbama, yes, you know, now person will be say they go help finish, you go shook hand for your eye. When I go interview this girl, I don't interview her for her house. I call tell her me she come meet me for near State CID for airport Sapler Stroke Airport Road. This where this girl come meet me, she was having a lot of earrings and chain. Like earring for her ear, leg chain. I say if I interview you like this, people not go want believe say you not dey okay. They see earring for your ear, and you know the way we people for Benin they think, we feel say okay, maybe this one don't run straight before. Now so you remove everything for your ear, which she did. She come out everything. We do the video finish. You dey get. Now we do that video finish. Because you are saying this video don't really make sense. If your mom did the background, even if say they not pity you, they go pity your mom. Made for fee help you. She can say okay. Then I call girl take cab again, go straight to her house. When we reach there, our mom and dad not dey. Blessing na Sunday, they call go church. I call guys sit down, wait, make they come. As they come, the place where they dey, e not too sharp because for the video, when I want to do, I need to find sharp place where sun see dey where the video go take dey bright and okay. We call find location, find to we call see you. After we do the video finish, as I post video, I begin see comment section say they don't help this girl before why this girl be like this girl now ungrateful person o. But me not confident say based on say they don't help her before and they call talk bad about her. Man not go give money where they give me to where they donate for this girl. And the time we say they do this philanthropist work and now this girl be the lowest money, like the lowest amount where they don't like contribute. Now let this girl based on say people don't help her before, she was very ungrateful. You understand? Person even reach out to me. Get one woman for UK. I don't forget her handle.
If I not 7 million, they give that second girl. Amen. Mistake me for the counter. He get injury for her 2 hands.
But I no get one muted Didi.
So the woman messaged me for UK. He said, Sammy, I go suggest me you bring down this girl video because this girl they very ungrateful. He said they don't raise millions for this girl. They say, okay, may they give the millions to the hospital where go take care of you. The girl say no. Now from there, the girl to cut a girl issue with them. So they're not going to give this girl the complete money. You understand? So according to messages why they get, they say this girl, if they give her money, she'll go and take drugs, like they inject herself and all those kind of stuff. But I don't really believe. So the money where they donate for me, to this night they bear me witness. Total money where they donate give this girl was 100,000 naira. That one are the lowest money we be say I don't interview person what they call contribute for. I was so ashamed to go give this girl this amount. That's okay. May just join her. You and I know the way they understand me. I go give this girl this money finish. She was very like thank you, even her mom. Thank you. They come they pray for me.
She say na 60,000 you give her.
Mama, calm down. She come they pray for me. Her mom come they pray for me. I go say okay, no wahala. After we do that interview that they finish, she got to say she know they see my video for TikTok. I can say why. You they get. I can say why you know they see my video for. She say I don't know. That's okay. What it be your handle? I can say she handle for my TikTok. I can say and say even before I go interview her, I don't if I block this girl. I could ask myself, say, what did this girl do me why I felt block her before? But I don't really recall. Now I call and say I block her before I can't unblock her. Days later, another person could go interview this girl. Guess what this girl tell that boy? He said now 60,000 naira, be 68,000 naira, and I could give her. He said people message and say they say millions of naira for me. He said they send millions of naira for me. Say, now me no want give my. As if she don't message me for Instagram. Say, Big Sammy, complete my money or what I go do you no go like. I was like, now this girl will be say I go interview willingly. Now I go to do me like this. Then people come begin to shade me. You not get insult when they not insult me. This year come online, he begin to threaten me, say the money where I chop, man, don't worry. I not go live to see. He get, Epa, you not get what this girl not tell me. You see, insult what this girl not give me, now small remain. He say, they go drag me go. I don't know which kind of juju place say they go drag me go. Make me go swear whether the money not pass like that. After for me we help am. Then the boy we go interview her. The boy call raise over blast now 200,000 because that one that one they use Facebook where he get people where they support her for Europe. You understand? So that one call raise over 200,000. He go give the girl. Okay, in the process of giving the girl this money, this girl called a trauma say it not be like Big Sammy we call give me 80,000. See money where this boy call give me. Now what you talk for the live video. So people call the fee now say me chop this girl money because according to the comment section, some people go carry your comment say I sent 30,000, I sent 100,000. Whereas they not do anything, they go just comment and say I sent you 1 million. You they get me so. This girl come at DM, he insult me finish. He make video, he insult me, they begin to threaten me. Then I call the year backstory. And mom, because they talk bad about me, say that this I be better person for me. We be say call.
See, mama they do it. Mama come they cry later. They pretend say she good.
For me, we call
mama
Michi
dey
Millie.
side am.
See, Epa, you get one girl they call King Michi. Where King Michi help one girl where she they talk about so we get injury for hand. Before he help the girl, King Michi call. He messaged me. I still get the message till today. He messaged me say, I saw this girl video on your page. How is this girl? Like she want to try to ask me about like how the girl take day. And I say I don't know how she take day. If you want help her, help the girl. Now what I talk? You know so I not really trust him and not help the girl, but as this girl do so, I not believe that this girl need help.
Hello, Auntie Michi, please, I need your help. Auntie Michi, please, I need your help. Am I the one that you get 7 million? Is it not that girl that have an injury in her hand? Auntie Michi, please talk. Please, Auntie Michi, I get a number. This level they left for me. I'm not at the time I call. I get Michi number. Not be me that this. Not be me that also take drug. Not be me that the second girl. Let me call Auntie Michi. See, I get Auntie Michi number. Epa, I can prove myself. Not be.
Epa mute again now.
Epa, you dey hear wetin they talk. Your people they say thank God say her money they say for foundation account too. And I was like, you cannot.
If I want go crash, if I not say they know help this girl. I was say they want help this girl. Domo.
Wait.
Domo.
Now do well. Big Sammy, now do well.
Whatever.
For the fact that because as you tell me say she can't go the insult now. They thought say money would have give her no wish. What be this? Oh, they say me remove his Zegbe. What is Zegbe do now? Oh.
Auntie Michi, please say the truth and go. I'm not the one that was taking drugs for me and that girl. Please
drop his Egbe.
And Michi they talk
Now,
so.
TikTok, yeah,
That girl you interview in Lagos.
Okay.
I'm not the one that is taking drug.
Nobody listen.
Wait.
Give me King Michi number.
That girl, me and the favor. Okay, see, favor. That girl, you have an injury in her hand. Yes. And you raised 7 million for. Yes, that sister. Yes, I'm not the one that you raised 7 million for, ma.
I'm not the one now.
Okay, I'm not the one that is taking drug.
No, nah, but
They don't put her on my head and me they take the drug.
Alaka, she dey talk something, not the Russia.
Nah, but she not talk boss. Let her talk the boss.
Let her talk
now.
Let
She
her
gave
talk
you
the
money
boss.
now, Didi.
Auntie Michi, God bless you. Thank God say you pick my call.
This girl na brain jotter.
They are lying against me that I'm the one that is taking drug. Ma.
more than 100 people won't tell me say she dey take drugs.
Okay. They say na me, They say na me. They say my mama dey lie say I be thief. Auntie Michi, you don't give me 7 million.
If I miss she want talk something, this girl they cover up.
I want to ask
Yeah,
Didi
she want
something.
us. She said, but he not let her talk.
Godfather, wait. I want to ask.
Listen, wait, when I listen to she dey talk. Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Go station now. Go report the case.
Okay.
How much police fee?
Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you.
Go now.
His mommy said that say I'm the one that is taking drug.
It's the one that is taking drugs.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Yari, men don't say you're not drop you every day.
People were complaining.
Okay.
Go put a police station now that they are checking your
Okay. As he said, and Big Sam say I'm the one that I'm taking drug. And if I have ever taken drug in my life, maybe I pick it there. Man, not better.
This girl sabi manipulate
They
person.
don't use the
Yeah,
pikin.
that name wey dey get
I
dey call.
tell you,
Make
say
she
the
stop to dey
video
call
wey I
am before she
make,
talk go end
They
the
won't let
life.
me
why
talk.
they get comment and message why they get. They say
Okay,
they use
listen,
okay.
If you want to confirm this
Ukun
girl,
bi
you
nọcha ukun.
Yes.
I no get dey hear me.
Yes.
Mona wait me I talk why gui. Mona wait. But no get gui. Why on when matter concerning a girl
You dey
now?
hear that? Man, dey hear
Just say
that?
person. Did he wait? But no get. No be any call where he make. I know this girl. They very tricky. If you want to know, Arigun, go ask people where they go. May they tell you what the kind of fashion they live. They know you go.
They don't
Okay.
want me before.
You know what
Okay.
to say, but I
Okay.
She go for months.
Didi, Didi,
I still get plenty with
cut that call first.
Okay. Auntie Michi.
That one
Okay.
audio.
Auntie Michi, I'll give your uncle the number so you talk to her. Okay. Okay. So you tell them.
Why Kimi she no help her? Why Kimi she no help her? What's the man help her?
Didi, I want to ask Didi.
It's Auntie Zegbe that said I'm taking drug. Auntie Zegbe and Big Sammy.
Stop
I'll go
calling
to
that
the
thing.
police
That thing
station.
you are calling.
No
So stop
problem.
calling that name. Stop
Thank you,
calling
ma.
that name. Yeah, in this
Thank you, ma.
platform.
Thank you, man. Oh, God go bless you. God go bless you.
Wait.
Okay.
You know, get the trap again. Now, whoa.
I say because of the drug where she
Yàtọ̀ náà tán pẹ́ sí gbé ọmọ mi máa kí amáyé bèbí.
And the you a clue you a dovani. Do you know a sikla? This guy make me know say sikla. You have a Kenyan ariku. You have a Kenyan arigoni have a do. They give when they give them food, everything for
Àwa
Benin.
ìdẹ́gbẹ̀ Mujani náà ta. Didi,
Hey, Salobua.
Didi,
Sir.
if I ask you this question and you pass, this money I'll give you.
okay.
Didi,
Oh,
wetin Sammy talk? Big Sammy talk.
Eh?
what the end your
Wetin
number?
Big Sammy talk about you na true?
What the end your number?
My number, this is my number, man. That my second number. I want you to call you. Let me answer a question. I'm call you. I'll give your uncle my number. If your uncle your number.
Which your uncle is not your uncle in Jesus' name. Can never be your uncle.
Okay. My mommy said, I go
Now
prove
so you
you
call
wrong.
me your auntie, where you gonna cost me?
Uncle, Auntie Zegbe, I go prove you wrong. Because you insult my mommy will see the beg you. Insult my mommy.
If you talk to me too much, I'll come arrest you tomorrow. People police they will let you worry. You have the video. What are you talking about? I have every video about
Didi,
it.
I say not to help me, oh. Now they are. Now they are meeting. I talk now.
Why you help people do?
Wanna wait, we are meeting. Didi,
Ma.
send me the girl number.
Okay.
Send me the
Auntie
number.
Michi, please, I want to give the uncle the number. Okay, we will call you now, please. Tell him everything.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh,
Please, I beg. They don't this auntie don't spoil my name for TikTok, please.
You have a meter, you meter. Didi,
Nobody mute her.
Didi, oh.
But I know gay. When you not say I didn't have their platform, me we will turn up. You get it? I dey wash am. E can not that way part time, part time way. You go bogwa. E mean your mummy ade.
Okay.
A last day in my finalize a case again. Do
Hello,
you know a
pa.
case of already command? Sweetheart, wait. He
Epa.
reported Amure Mudiana Gomenland, Egujenogi. He
Epa, talk to
reported
me.
case again now
Talk to
because
me. Say
you
waiting.
know the penalty where a fraud or Yahweh game, which is what they told me in area command with Iya and Yahweh Doba, Iya Yahweh a business.
Epa, you,
But the nina
Epa,
like say a panara drop a
Auntie Zegbe, speak
panara.
English. Let's make you
Okay.
speak English, please.
Okay. Why I can't not get platform today? But I dey watch out for Dan. Me them my platform. They don't tell me 3 days ago say he want come and not get home. I was like, it's okay. Maybe na money for food. I said no problem. This my godfather for UK. He can't say we can't plan say we want help Didi. Not be just to help her for hospital treat her. May we fair business. We even say we want rent apartment for Didi. She did aware. If I like. Then we'll first small business, make she they do, make she they treat herself. Now what we promise Didi. But we never even we don't treat her finish. Didi don't go on another platform. He don't block my PA. He don't go on another platform, go they cry, say, he need blood though, he need surgery, oh, he need surgery. Now that invest me. But we don't already do your surgery. Why are you saying you need surgery again? Now what it bring our crash come? The other day, one woman donate for an vest. It not concern me. But when it carry me here today, when you call it, say a part talk and say they use money build them. Are you not building house, my sister?
I'm not talking one Epa, say person not talk Epa. No, I'm not put word for my mouth
But
here.
I was here.
And that
I
God,
was
You
that
say
thing
here.
where
like,
the person
yeah. You say yeah.
But I was here.
Did you why they lie?
God
I beg
bless you.
everybody mute for now. Is it
Okay.
I beg everybody mute. Didi, I know they hear you. You hear me, Nuta? They hear me.
I mean, they bring new money come up. New money they come up. New money.
hello,
You
We'll
want
bring you
send
money.
request when they bring her come
hello,
abeg.
hello.
I'm not in the comment
Epa,
section. Didi,
Did you know the 419? You go near a party no, la woo. Eddie,
sir,
no,
sir,
cook a
sir,
mother better. You
sir,
go there, Eddie, la
sir.
Didi, they hear me.
Yes, sir.
Waiting Big Sammy talk. Not true. Say
Yeah.
after he can't give you 100,000 finish, you can't tell us say the money pass like that.
No, not be 100,000 give me, na 68,000 give me. Na wetin na the money wetin give me be that.
Big
Na
Sammy, how much you give him?
68. 200 naira,
Big
200
Sammy,
naira, three
you
bundle
give him
with
Big Sammy,
1,000 naira, 1,000 naira 8 na he give me.
Big Sammy. Oh
68,000
my
he give
God.
me.
Pardon, I dey hear you.
How much you give this girl?
Total money where they contribute for this girl was 100 and more you say 100,000 naira. I can't put extra 30,000 naira, making it
No,
130.
When you dey give her the money, you do
no,
her for video.
If a video, everything they Godfather there, everything there on video.
no, that
If
money
I
na
maybe one
That
make she
account,
68,000
talk finish,
naira
make they go bring the
Stanley.
video
I
come.
lost that account.
No, that
She
money
not
na
get, she not get
68,000
one
to
water
200
video.
naira three. Yeah, to 200 naira three
Because
bundle.
they inside,
Then
because they
1,000
inside
naira
envelope.
8. Na dey inside that envelope. Yes.
Okay. Big Sammy, you get the proof of the video.
If I not get the video again, I lost my page.
They
This
don't
one I
ban
did
the
to my
account.
new page.
Okay. That one possible, I said. Una say she dey do saga. Who she do saga?
If I want to saga
She
this big
saga me,
Sam,
oh.
yeah.
After I give her money, she
Now
saga
video
me,
they
oh.
do both live video. I mean, if you go tell me go delete
If
her.
I don't saga me well. Didi Rovieme, even though you apologize,
Me say
I
if I not
forgive you.
saga you na that
Didi, I
platform na
forgive you, but
saga.
what you talk
This
to
I mean,
me?
you know the post on
See I do
Instagram.
you like this when you hate
Okay,
me.
if I
You
don't
want
get
that
new
money
money
with your
come on.
mama
But
when
I
you
don't
dey
get
see
let
Na
me
you.
hold you.
Wadomo, na good evening.
Mama
Get
Make
live
I
let me
for
hold
explain
you.
you.
the whole
Ah.
I fact about this DD matter. So, when DD come my go on that platform, Izegbe special. He can't tell us say she get 1.8 million naira. Say she dey look for 1.2 million to complete her operation money because okay, no, we fit raise the 1.2 million naira for you, but we don't fit get the better turn up because get only 1 million, 150k. Now we can't get. I call you okay, 50k to withdraw the money. Take the 1.1 million naira. Because before the operation go finish, we fit see the remaining money. She comes okay. I mean, if you carry Didi go hospital, I me carry her go hospital. At this day, I pay your money. I want pay. I pay everything. You see this Didi? So we can't okay. Didi, bring your money. Come outside. Didi not see 1.8 million when Didi say he gets. He not see and bring come outside. The only money got Didi account was 700K. That's it. But Didi, you say you get 1.8 million naira. Where is the 1.8 million naira? Now that could bring issue between me and Didi for us for the very first time. But
600K my account, not 500K. 650 now my account.
Okay. Let's say 650. That no problem. No wahala. Now you wait now. Okay, after the whole thing we don't pay for hospital, I can't okay, Didi. Since you like give us say you get 1.8, there's no way I go tell my government say your money you not gonna get money again. No, say your money don't finish, you already use them. Okay, fair. The money too safe now. Bank don't agreement she withdraw the money. Because our card don't expire. No wahala. Didi go on that platform. Go talk say she still need money, but not before operation. Make sure she need money for her discharging for the hospital because nobody want you to donate for her because she not going to talk the real true word again. Because you say you get 1.8 million later, you call it say you only 600 when you talk say you get no wahala. Okay, now it can go Poco live stream.
You know when I go
No, you wait, let me talk now.
I
understand Boko well.
If not, they find evidence. All the screenshot they my phone. All the screenshot they my phone. All the screenshot they my phone. Everything from my phone. Why they can't go hospital? All the video, everything they my phone. Okay, finish now. We can't do you can't go live stream. You can't go to the temple to say he need blood. People can't know is it because they say this girl don't do the operation already. What you come and say she still need blood. What is she still need blood? Now I can't come up. They can't ask this girl so that he no new money. He can't say he no know me. He say he no know me. This guy they talk say he no know me. Now because you want did you not know me?
I want to be number one line. They left from here for that place.
You say me no you don't know me.
That place is the hot.
You be where the
that place the hot. I don't talk nobody they hear me. I thought say na drug. I thought na big Sammy. I thought say I don't know. Say big Sammy not give money.
They pay you. You
They left from here just now. They left from here for everywhere. Oh, not new money. No, I tell no new money. I not me and new money don't know past 10 years. Don't know past 10 years. Me and this boy. Well, because I don't know her. They ain't tell me to ever go on a platform. Me I say I don't know her. Me I say I don't know her.
It's okay.
Friend.
This one the money when she come the whole for hospital. Even the doctor number the doctor I'll call you doctor this night. Everything day with me.
I tell you,
everything day with this Didi. What you want about Didi? See, now she be this one. The operation she do now plastic surgery, skin grafting with skin. Get the code that way what she do. Now the hospital when she called the after all the money don't pay. He called the man 1 million something when she called the whole.
Wait, you know the reason why I say I get that 1 million? Eh?
Didi, not they talk again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You are distracting people from explaining, and it's not good. They distract people from explaining. If they talk, let them talk, please. Now, you know what? Without not too much of talk.
New money, forward all this thing for my phone. Not let me verse for you. I said, put everything on my phone.
Now, come, I go do and wait.
Don't let me verse for you. I don't verse for you right
okay,
now.
I hear.
I said, bring everything on my phone. You get what in a year now? I want the
okay. This Didi so he can't get one blogger Edo Saga. I don't want Edo Saga. He can't post them. I say post and finish.
New money.
Epa.
Calm down.
Okay, pa.
Didi. Everybody not go feel the lie against you.
Yes, now yes, now yeah.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
You know it go happen.
But let me talk.
Wait. You know it go happen. We don't give you this money again.
No problem, sir.
No problem. That 350,000. When you say 50,000, 50,000 into 7 places, right? 50,000 into 7 places.
Yes, sir.
We will give you 400,000.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's it?
If I tell you one thing, this my Tyson way, mommy say, my daddy beg, he beg and put. And mommy, when she is that, my father.
This one a person when post. Not be every cable. He say, if you do bouncy air for Benin here, I want to do my bouncy air. They post go straight. They offer 500 a bundle. Then they say they find money so.
A party we got talk now.
No,
a party we got talk. All the money I don't fair donate for me. They say give me money. I don't fair do grafting before it not work. I fair use that do grease my second grafting.
Didi, did you hear me? enough of all this talky. You understand? Everybody not go feel the lie against you.
God bless you, sir.
People who don't testify against you for me for WhatsApp, and the people who they here cannot be lying against you.
Thank you.
See, if they hear me, Didi, I want to give you that money because of God Almighty, not because of you. I get case whereby we don't help person finish. At the end, they reach Nigeria, I thought they cause it papa and mama head. So any people like that will be like easy boy, and they remove them, they come off from my life fast. So you go send me your account for WhatsApp. I go send you 400,000. Okay?
You know, collect me, you know, by give me ten about that drug. Go,
Okay, for that drug aspect, now
No,
when we go
no.
our street the last time, when we go his police to arrest her before, when she called the Instagram me for TikTok. Now he community people don't say this girl they do drugs. It's street people, now talk this thing.
God
Let's say
please.
now street people don't say this girl they do drugs. So that we don't know. Now we want to say she they do drugs.
Picture for
Money,
you.
now we'll drop any money.
This one who said that money recently. This one
picture.
recently she do this video.
I don't get
Recently now she do this video.
No, man, I do remembrance. We say I do video, go to code, I do video. If I look like my problem. Why was it just a video?
Didi, wait.
For now,
Didi, may I talk to you?
Didi, for now, I'm not going to send you any money. If I must send you money, I go do my investigation tomorrow. And in the evening, if I do my investigation, I'll come find out, say, I'll come send the 400,000. But for now,
what's that?
if you can betray these people, we don't fair people go still do it to me.
Of course.
And nothing will still happen. I know if you do you anything.
Why I not betray Frank? Why I not betray mommy? Why I not betray mommy? This mommy, why I not betray Coco? If I'm not like that, misunderstand they come.
Wait, did they tell me now say you money past 600,000?
God bless you. 1.5.
They say Frank donate 2 million naira for you. You said that 1 million donate for you.
600,000 you give me where you more your mom sir.
Madam, yo. Give me King Mitchell number.
Okay, sir.
Since money, marry me.
I see her for you. I will give you.
For now.
I will give you me prove you wrong. Me prove me wrong.
If I want to talk to King Mitchell, you should not come on video. Cannot talk to her.
Okay. Let me call.
Tell her say, if she not come on video, not talk to her.
Okay.
Now, for now, no money for you.
No problem, sir.
The money we raised for you before, now 1,711,000.
No problem, sir.
That would be raised for you before. So because of
what if I may just talk one last thing, Runda, Egbe Ramene. I not see do video they okay. Like see do video. I not be gay, happy day. Why did this screenshot my video? I put my video for a focus post on here. Is that right? I mean my authority day. She said you see the monitor where they talk about.
I think
I not get any time of packet by daddy. Didi. To be honest, you be person where I love. Me, me wakoki me say. Forget what maybe you see me for social media, everything I cruise. I be very responsible person. Bona, depression is everywhere. I'm just making people happy. I grew up in a very good background and I did popular. Apart from TikTok, Libya, Binio, I be very nice person. My woman me down there. I so much love. Wait, me I talk.
You don't love me.
I don't even need to love you because you don't need to love.
You don't love me.
Didi, be like say you self not still get character, Didi.
Thank you very much.
You know your feel calm down.
You want help my life. You want.
I say, Didi, I will still be honest with you. You be person where I love, but where you for made mistake. Agbona, if I run only the episode where, you go create that space. for another people. Even if you want to beg for money, walao, I'm a Mickey, oh. Yes, when business, oh, was supporting any make an amigo, yeah, then again, or another tablet in here, you know. You can you can easily beg for that kind of money. And we are here, my support. Metobime, I was even looking for apartment to give you. I was doing it. I had to tell I'm a volunteer furniture. But while like social media, I don't know the
Pretty,
kind of
please, I want to tell
apartment.
you one thing, please.
Oh God, why
Wait,
you
please,
take
one
care now?
last thing.
I have a
Mommy,
worker.
Oh God,
I work
Elioji,
for
she don't have
you.
gratitude. Every respect. So if you want to beg for money, what's the problem in Olowo? Where you and your way are talking? I am your way are talking. What time we need? Now you need business. No care fashion when you go. You are a single mom. We all understand. My in Nigeria. Most of us we are single mom in abroad. Oh, my very easy. My mother when win government, my support market, my live. You understand? Everybody they pass through stress, not just you. You get business, and you got expert who can no have a platform. Didi. I'm a POS. You be person where you do a vaccination, you they do and which you told me. I expect you to need money. I expect you to ask for money. In the echo, what happened? You're supposed to ask for money for people to support you for business. For business. So you go direct another platform. You go bring down another platform. You go bring down people where don't fair help you. See, I don't see what you not get to do for so many years, many times. And God, they always bless and put. You know, if you can say, because say they do, you get that help. You can easily get it. Then to where I go on the platform now, I don't go come up. Can do at the Mario Dukuna. Any platform you go, you don't ever see me, be honest. Iyo, and not get my person, and my blood now they call on. A platform, you don't get even ye care, don't have time, and you was shut off. Because a video were not large many years ago, a prank no, Nina where he kept Ben John and female for no way. And not get on first person on shot of having Monica a lot. She was the first person I called gave no way, man. Then maybe your mommy me. You're a first person not bring it that since that time. They respect me and they give them.
Let's see.
I they respect you. When any platform you like no get it, even for your back, I they always talk on. Person tell me say you and no get in the respect for this social media. Now only you and no get see.
Let's
I know say I
see.
never they do but private I they do my thing. But also about tima Miami, ni Miami obi ma kuku negima ni Miami. But Didi, to be honest, you are destroying other people's star. Umwema yaria. Now we your bonnie, you are killing the trust. Wakia nego Didi, be honest, epa. Wagwaligo me aswen a business o. Abisiko se ni migo me ya adele ni migo ya dweki. Or the momokia. Those are what I want from you. Sagien. I mean, a Canadian webu.
Mama, I don't get blood for body. May I show you my PCV?
Let me do your
I
blood.
don't show you my body. Don't be my body.
Why you don't walk?
You don't get blood, you dey shout. You don't get blood, you dey shout. You get
Thank you, my
straight.
sister. Out here, bonoma. I never blood in the guan. I never blood it here, bonoma.
Whatever I will say. Didi, as I felt talking since, we will do investigation before I will know what to do to you tomorrow. Now, but certainly now, no. And please, all my fans that are watching, do not feel bad because we are not giving her any money today.
Yeah, when you always say for the
You have to
donation.
be very careful so that we know we go help person. We will come still beat us tomorrow. So anything we are doing here, let's do it with ease. You see, one thing will make me talk say, if you want to help anybody here, it must be in the donation account.
Money not talk, I'll slap you. Well, like me and relationship, it don't the end though. To be honest.
That's the truth. You must be sincere to me. You understand? Imagine say this money in their account. Not be the one who they talk, so who they talk. She for not even the stress like this. She for not the laugh after the money got their account. The main reason why she's stressed up like this is because money no enter in your account.
Thank you.
You see? So I want to say thank you to Godfather, thank you to Izengbe, thank you to Big Sammy, thanks to every one of you that also came here to give the awareness on our can show us so. You understand? The king Michi now, she never still send me a number tina. You understand? To take confirm the person we call him, where he call us now. Me want call the person back now. Me ask him few questions.
I know your operation in my
I
own.
won't give you everything, so plus the evidence, everything. You have sent everything to me.
Operation in my own did the
Let me talk.
Operation you tell Arigo, but we did it for her. Operation you even an injury organic. Oh yeah, sucky go with Bema. But operation, I make sure say we do one. May not be saying that one be the problem.
Yes. I understand. Thank you so much, Izimbe. God bless you.
But panoge I have a we do can we your bone, eh? Every animal
You can do our investigation now before we go here.
Yeah, une.
Epa wetin me want talk Epa you dey hear me? Who dey do investigation for this girl? Now wetin we dey talk so now you still here oh. So me the advice but I want help this girl when I not give her money. The hospital so na Benin dey. If you go there anything there one sister your account today from there they pay the doctor. Because when they go investigate from that now wetin you hear now you see here about this girl. So if you want your help your time you go to the hospital. So any amount the doctor need you dey pay you fit give her small thing for feeding.
Now what we do? That's what we did.
Okay.
Maybe they get me. You feel give her like 50,000. Take the fee. That's so good.
Did I ask for the money, Epa? Epa, motor two. Did I ask for the money? I said, don't give me, give it to the doctor. That's what I said. Epa, I talk. I said, you give me the money.
Don't worry. We will do investigation first. But before investigation,
I don't say you everything, Epa. Maybe check up on WhatsApp. And if the letter find out, I know they do
drugs. But if you give her something, make it chop.
If the letter find drugs, I know they do drug. This matter no go tell like this. So
Did you say you dey sick, Abi? You say you need blood.
My man no talk. I'm gonna cost my mama no talk. My mama no know anything when it beg this woman. They don't say.
Did you wait a little You need stable blood.
Didi, papa be innocent. Your mama know what you are.
Come on.
Didi,
If I no get our blood, no have here.
Epa no get. Ije get na mi no we rakpa innocent. Ije wa mu ewo ya we mi ni. Ije ayin ya we be na enoge. We say go to ya kia ya we say.
Oyemera.
Omerera wa me big boutique. Abi vieni like this one when they wear there.
She followed there.
It followed there. Yes.
Business you know those bid now, those traditional bid, independence ed. We are restoring a tower.
No, he said his father is old. Yes, he said his father is old.
Era what debut, era cute, era is a sheep. If era is a sheep. A sheep era is a sheep in palace. No gay. A sheep era in the palace. A sheep era in the palace.
Yes.
If I don't know, you can't love you.
Let's see.
Mama, Wahala, big size.
Mama.
Let me confirm from the Kimichi. Hello.
Governor, do well. Thank you so much.
Sorry. It's me, Enogi. I'm based in Germany. I want to ask about Didi. Yeah. I am the president of Enogi and Fans Foundation. The girl that just called you some minutes ago. Yes, please, I want to...
Let me say what's it called? This is the right of the matter.
Okay, the right of...
So you can go through your lawyer. Yes, there's a written statement that is on my page too. So I'm having midnight prayer and it's very important to me.
Okay, no problem.
And if they stressed out that girl, because that's not the girl that takes drugs, it's the other one. And like more than 50 people came to tell me that they've helped that girl before. And she run away from the hospital. This girl,
Okay, the one that called you.
The hospital in Benin.
Wait.
She ran away.
Listen,
let me pray.
Okay, pray.
Let me pray. Call me in 20 minutes. Let me pray.
Okay. Pray. King Michi, we are in the room.
Oh.
Withdrawal of proposed support for surgery and medical care of Miss Favor Umaru due to non-compliance. Who be Favor Umaru? The other one?
Why King Mishi no help am? What's the King Mishi man help pay?
He should die. Okay, but I want to be asking Mishi's question. Why she say she want to go pray? Oh my God.
I no get. I no
Okay,
get.
they gonna.
Like I'm already asking
I no
questions
get.
back to back.
I no get that muster.
Where's
See,
it?
maybe get wetin King Mishi. This King Mishi na big meat for Lagos.
Thank you. Now big fish for Lagos.
Auntie Zegbe, hold on first. I dey come back. This King Mishi na big meat for Lagos. Na a lot of celebrity they sponsor her. So why this King Mishi never still support her? To be honest,
Thank you.
know, say me I know they pull mouth for all this kind of talk. Auntie Zegbe, hold on now. Me I know they quick pull mouth for all this kind of thing, right? But the thing is more here from King Mishi, and then even if we won't do any transaction, we'll do it directly to the doctor. Yeah.
Yes, but for the food aspect, we should give them 200,000 now.
Of course.
Make she take go eat.
Me take guess. Okay.
And a provision did you need? When you want deliver have your gear.
No, make she go use her hand back. Near your poison over here.
I'm poison on the only.
When we don't sell that cat already, near
The last time again he live here, yeah, download them, maybe up again now. Now my zombie, yeah, download them, do we ask him? But again, I was like, a condition, well, let's just do it. But she coming to a platform, what? She coming to a platform, start saying all sorts of things, lies. It's not nice.
I can't remember banana. Now, that's that category. Okay. Okay. May I send the money we will raise for
They don't the report account.
the money we will raise for 1,711,000. So inside that 1,711,000.
I don't get a drop email.
All right. Inside that 1,711,000, we'll give her 200,000. Make it take go feed. You understand? Make it take go buy food by herself. They will keep the remaining 1,511,000. After the investigation, we will not know what to give to her. Do you understand? Okay. So if they don't send the 200K now, I'll still put on here. I'll still show you now for here. Say, I don't send the 200K, give them. Do you understand? No, Ipa. I don't understand. 100,000 too small for food now. No, we are not giving her because we just give her because of her condition. Make she take bad food. Make she take bad food. Even if you say she be scammer, even if you say she be prisoner, they say they feed prisoners for prisoner. Make she use 200,000 naira to buy food. You understand? Make she take bad things for herself. 100,000 too small. We will give her 200,000. You understand? No matter what, she's a human. Despite say her way not clear because of the people who don't testify against her since 200K is okay for her. Understand? Apart from these people do not have a issue about SS. I don't know about SS or anything. Even if you say be SS, don't lie to people because say you get that condition. See the momo is the boy will help now. I know what this guy call the insult us tomorrow. When I bring my account, come my husband when I don't see the momo. When I say why your account, when they see some kind of things when they avoid. May God let us donate finish, we call the regret why we donate. It is spoil platform. Imagine that's why we don't give this guy this money now. You see this guy go transfer our money back to us. I pray. I pray.
If I me feel lost, when you say the family.
Beyond that go sis. You and me and Thierry.
If I explain something to you now.
Let me to come for them.
I trust you. Doma.
You are here. Now, if me a go sack why worry?
If I calm down for Jesus.
Hello, me.
Okay, now we go, Papa.
Yeah.
But we go to worry like now, Papa. Now I just want to beg you, and I want people listen to me.
Yes.
You hear me, Abi?
Yes, I hear you.
Sickle cell anemia. She want to give blood. People will not get informed, supposed to ask questions.
Yes, we know say na blood. We know say na blood dey dry for their body, but not be to come take the scam person. That is the truth.
Yes, I understand perfectly. The only way this girl will be asked for about the China if she gets family where they help her well. If not, it's not your Caribbean. Again, we are happy about it.
Yes, that's what we are trying.
I'm not saying you shouldn't investigate her. No, that's not what I'm saying.
Yes.
That's what I mean. But you know, we are big. That blood, pay, put for hospital for her. Not give her for her. Pay, put, they give her blood.
Of course.
So if you just want to give her money for feeding, that's what you just want to give her. But you see that blood is very, very important, very vital. If they don't know about sickle cell anemia, they have to go instead before they complain, say they scam, you know they scam. The girl math is bad anyways, her math is too sharp.
Not mad the girl. That's the any girl.
Even her dad, she need blood, now blood for 2 seconds, yes, man, do it. Sickle cell anemia. Anyways, I just think I tell you my brother, because I'm just with that. I said, oh, yes, I see the argument come long. I said, what's the this? People are supposed to understand what the sickle cell.
The money not show well. Alright. The money not show well. They come. The money supposed to show well. The money come be like waiting ben. They come. They come. Mama, I'm coming though.
I tell you, if you with you, ya, oh man, yeah. I tell you, if you with you, ya, oh man, yeah.
All right, my people. I just transferred 200,000 naira to her. The money we raised for her was 1,711,000. Because of a lot of people that was coming in, yes, we know she has such a disease, such a sickness, we know. But we want to confirm something first. Yes, the blood part, we are going to, tomorrow, if I don't confirm I finish, you will give me the doctor number. I'll go personally send the money, go give doctor. You understand? The 350,000, it's not 50,000. So the 350,000, I'll give doctor, maybe they take give them blood. That one I could not verify. The reason why they do this verification, you know, one thing about we Nigerians, we easily pity person. But those people who they pity for sometimes, they pity for themselves. Because this girl, do you know the painful part of life? You don't donate money for person, if they're going to insult you tomorrow. It's painful. We're not going to know now. When I see the reason why I can't change this thing, say, more no, they use their account again, more they use my own. Or your own. Because the truth of the matter is that if we give imagine I say this girl don't give her all this money, she don't go even the answer us. She go for don't even drop since after all the money on their account. I personally send her this 200,000 because of God and humanity. May she take use until tomorrow, may she go use and buy some things for herself. Let me can do this one. So the money now is remaining 1,511,000. If this girl matter not clear, we will put the money go our foundation account. If tomorrow we consider saying now why you person and what she take the eat, the remaining 1.5 will go drop her for our foundation account. Finish. But if we realize, say for real, if we don't give doctor 350,000, then if we could give him another 300,000 again, Michio. Because if 200,000 will give her, it could be almost 800,000 like that, I'll be 900,000. If we will give her reach like 1 million naira, that's not a problem. If by tomorrow, say she day, because people cannot come here. You be like as easy boy be now tomorrow now he go come go beg money for person platform. People can't go they donate for her. That's what it be. If I come kick Michi back, do I want anything me? She said she did do prayer. Man we prayer on our own. Eh? About the gate here. In 20 minutes it take Birani. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Lawyer is like, you don't understand. I am praying.
Oh!
I am praying and you're calling me.
Tomorrow maybe I will call you. Just
You
pray.
don't need to pray.
Pray now, pray. Okay? Pray.
I don't need to pray finish first now. I devil they work this night. Devil they work for itself. Make me work too.
Ah, Nigeria. I'm gonna pour me water. So because you want? Yeah, me. Oh yeah, pray. So therefore they fight people like this. Yeah, I don't understand. So therefore they fight people like this. If only that nyash you get, if you show them what they fight you. Oh, Salobwa, Didi, Baba, you, where up my evangelist? Where is my evangelist? I don't go. This is 12:30. Ah, it not too much. I know if you study again to dinner. Mona up evangelist for me. Baba. Mona up evangelist for me. Oh. Which kind of prayer? I tell you, expensive. I tell you, the prayer is too much.
Enoje,
Yes.
everybody they pray. God bless everybody in this house. Eh? Now me when I come there and I come with the devil, abi. You say devil there at work. Me, I
I tell
just
you, oh, because I come and
okay.
see the pray.
Wait, Enoje, if you see this guy when you there with her for line, devil not there at work that time. When the
No,
girl is there with her,
she don't pray. She don't pray that time.
okay, 30 minutes time that get take there with her for line. Auntie Didi, Auntie Nikki, number
Even
one.
our evangelist surprised say pray at the passing shoulder.
Because me no know the kind prayer now. Me want come go help fire now. Me went to this platform. Me don't tell devil dance since. Devil they
He
don't dey use 20 hours
said they
tire.
pray.
You know, the 1 minute reach to tell devil dance. Only carry fire.
He
Eh? Devil no get power. Now if say devil get power pass am. If na true say na she, na the real person, or if they no get connection, I don't know. That girl, I may know who they blame that easy egbe. Let me tell you, I see some people they blame her since. People don't need to blame that lady. It's very bad, you know, after you help person, you come see say the person go on another platform. You don't even recognize all these steps when you dey struggle. It's 2 hours since they raise money. That woman, people they blame her, they don't know what she passed through. Woman, when she carry person, go hospital, go pay for her bill, go do operation. The woman follow the girl up, even ready
Mama,
to.
it don't happen to me. I
Mm,
help someone at the end, he go to saga me, go to insult my enemy.
people say today hallelujah challenge. Who that? Let me tell you, if I dey pray, I don't dey on my phone. If I dey pray, people, if she dey pray, if you are in, how can you pick a call, sir? How
That's
can you pick a call?
Kai. That's
How
another
can
point.
you pick it? Let me tell you, I dey see comment. She's in Hallelujah Challenge. I mean, see, it's not nice. I attend full-time Bible school in Winners Chapel for full 2 years. Winners Chapel, Yediko is my spiritual father. If you dey prayer, even small pick, even emoji, if you dey prayer now, you dey leave. That's the call, you don't go pick. He said, devil, they are work, make it fight devil. Okay, if you dey prayer, why must you dey pick? And let me pray finish because they organize, wait here, they want to arrange the matter. That is just the truth. Eh? Ah, who they pray? Hallelujah challenge you, they heaven. You not fear answer now. You dey fight devil with the answer call. Devil will give you dirty slap. Even if now my son call me now, I get my knee. I can never pick that call until I finish. I will tell God to take over. Everybody is not the same. When you are praying, go answer call. It's not good to answer call. You even put your phone on silence. Make you know they finish your life. And for that girl, To pay abroad this thing OJ because of God. I'm a mother. Let them go and pay. Even if
Yeah, they are going to pay.
you know
That's what
why I
I'm
know
going
they
to
let
do.
hold on because even if our lifestyle, if you say me you follow that game, you know go drop 1 naira. Even this 200,000, your enemy go regret it tomorrow because what I'm seeing about that if you go this because of God, because may God not let anything happen, we'll come to regret. Say, I wish we know because of God. But the girl lifestyle, the way I'm seeing everything, if you go to investigation, even this 200,000, he will pay you while you drop her. But because
No,
of God
you
who
know they
created
pay me.
us,
You know why they pay me, Mama? For humanity's sake. I did not drop it because of her. I drop it because of she's a
I
human.
saw your spirit, the thing touch me, the way you say, even prisoner they eat, even
Yes,
let me
prisoners they
tell you,
eat. People,
may we go
prisoners they
pay
eat.
for our blood, not give the girl money, may go pay her beg.
No, no,
Because
no, no,
if you
no.
give her money, if you give her money, she don't go pay. Maybe something happen, we'll see affect us here. Maybe because we don't do everything. Let's talk to the doctor where they want. That's why you have a foundation. It's not compulsory you must give her the money. Maybe next month again, we'll be following her up. We go and pay for another blood. That's how we be doing it. Because if you follow this girl, what I'm seeing, this everybody is right, especially that is the when they blame. That woman is in pain after raising such money. Follow the girl up later. The girl they even insult Anana. May you let me talk. I know the people there against that lady. Until you be on her shoe, you don't raise money. Now you know. May God help us in Jesus' name. More grace in OJ, more wisdom.
Thank you, my
More
evangelist. God
wisdom.
bless you. Thank
And
you.
that one went the hallelujah challenge. Devil will slap and see the answer call and they tell you the truth. You know, if you pick corner, devil will land and slap for you. Me, I don't
Thank
play finish
you.
now day here. God bless you.
Thank you. All right. All right. All right. So, and Didi, another thing again I will tell you is this. Another thing again that I will tell you is this, Didi. Me, I not believe that they talk to King Michio until she comes on video call with me. And now it's already night because this is 12:30 in the morning. So probably I'm going to call her tomorrow, not even this night. Certainly don't know this night. I want to call her tomorrow on a vid. That one are your first investigation. So tell her say I will call her for video call. In case she calls she no pick, meaning say not be me. That means not be me she give me number. That one another problem again for you. Because if I investigate person, I investigate person finish. Then that your hospital, so I will personally call the doctor, ask her man boss me one pass of those. You say you need 7. I will pay directly to the doctor's account. You understand? For the love we have for humanity on this platform, you say the 7 pounds of blood. You say now, 1 month till they finish on your body. So me they vouch, say for 3 months, now and in 3 months time, we go to give you blood for this platform. For 3 months. After 3 months, you don't try. May God bless and heal you. If you still go on that platform, but not in 3 months, will they give you that 350 for blood. So that God Almighty goes to the bless us and elevate us. As far as you are still breathing, you are one of us. For your blood, oh, not be say I can't give the money for hand, oh.